our channel. Thank you so much for joining the family. Okay, we appreciate you all. In this channel you'll be seeing fashion and hairstyles. Okay, we're going to be uploading hairstyle videos and latest fashion videos. Okay, so stay tuned. If you enjoy what we do here, don't forget to like our videos, always comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, so stay tuned and make sure you watch our video till the end.
So guys, today's video is all about amazing cornrows braided hairstyles, African hairstyles. So stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so in here we have a lot of African styles which you can try out next on your hair salon appointments or your next hair look. So just feel free and make your choice. Okay, so these styles you can achieve them with hair extension of any color. Yes guys, just go ahead and do what you are comfortable with. Okay, when it comes to African hairstyles, we have a lot of styles that are so amazing and inspiring as well. Some of these styles are made with beads, so you can go ahead and try them out as well with bead or any hair accessories of your choice. So if you're looking for simple all back, you can go ahead and try this one right here out. Okay, video so far. If you do, just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Okay? So friends, which type of hairstyle videos do you prefer seeing next? Let me know at the comment section. Okay? I hope you got the inspiration you are looking for and you enjoy watching as well. If you do, before you leave, don't forget to like this video guys, share, subscribe and comment below. Yes guys, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. I appreciate you all. So guys, take care of yourself. I'm going to see you all on the next one. Bye.